Hey, welcome back to the set, y'all. I am glad you made it because I've got some pretty good groceries for you today. What those groceries are is I got some teriyaki chicken thighs that I'm doing on the Blackstone Griddle. Yes, you're saying chicken thighs on the Blackstone, that's gonna be kind of tough, hussy. Oh, no, 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 no. We're gonna make it good. We're gonna make it easy. You're gonna stick around for it. That's some good groceries. All right, y'all, first things first, let's get this Blackstone on. Let's get it pre-warmed. We want it at a kind of a slow pace. We're gonna cut them all down, all the burners on low for right now, while we get our chicken thighs prepped, all right? All right, so we got some chicken thighs here. Chicken thighs work really good with this for the way we're doing this meal. These are skinless, boneless chicken thighs. And I like the skinless, probably because the skin's really thick and you can't get any seasoning, can't get any char on this meat at all. So I like the skinless type, all right? So these are going to be teriyaki. So I'm going to use some of this sweet teriyaki from Blackstone. And I'm just going to come in here and liberally apply this to each side of these chicken thighs, okay? Come over here. Just like that. Beautiful. My refrigerator, y'all, just FYI, my refrigerator, it's a little crazy. You put it on 6, don't seem like it's cold enough. You put it on 7, everything freezes. What the heck? So it was on 7, and my chicken thighs got a little tight, okay? Just so y'all know. But this is good enough right here. All right. So our Blackstone is pre-warmed. It might be ready for us. Let's go take a look. All right, y'all. Our Blackstone is nice and warm. We're going to start with a little bit of oil, all right? This is avocado oil. Avocado oil has a nice high smoke point, and that's why I like to use it. I'll come in here just a little bit. We're just looking for a little bit of color on these first, okay? You hear that sizzle? You want that sizzle. I smell that teriyaki. We're going to leave these on the top. You want to leave them about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to flip them over. These are not going to be cooked through, and that's okay. What we're going to do next, we'll make them awesome. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to give this a flip. Nice caramelization going on. That's exactly what you want right there. Beautiful. We're going to let this go for another 3 minutes, and then we're going to put it in our pan. We're going to put some teriyaki sauce in there, and we're going to let it braise in that teriyaki sauce. Boy, it's going to be some good groceries. All right, y'all, now comes the fun part. We're going to take the aluminum pan that we seasoned these dudes in. I'll put it right there on the griddle. Now, we're going to take teriyaki sauce. Whole bottle. We're just going to come, pretty much use this whole bottle. Now, we're going to take our chicken thighs right over here, and we're going to lay right in this teriyaki sauce. Now, you see this stuff right here? This is called fond. It's good stuff. Don't let it go to waste. I want to come here, and I'm just going to, it's got some good juices in it, and I'm just going to bring it over here. Just like that. Right. Right here, if you can see, I want to make sure these thighs get kind of coated in this teriyaki sauce, okay, guys? So I'm just going to kind of roll it around. But I want this one side kind of to be our presentation side, so I want it up, facing up. There we go. Kind of thin this out just a hair. I want to use a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit. All right. And now, take a little aluminum foil. We're going to let these chicken thighs just braise in this teriyaki sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, until they're done. Just keep an eye out on it. It does have a lot of sugar. You don't want to burn things, so keep your eye out on your burners. I got this on low for right now. You might have to turn it off, but we'll see. All right, so while our chicken thighs, while they're over there getting all bubbly and all that kind of stuff in that teriyaki sauce bath, I wouldn't mind taking a teriyaki sauce bath myself, but you know, whatever. We're going to get some cucumbers. I love these cucumbers whenever I eat any kind of Asian food, really. It just, you know, it's like a little salad. It's got some sweetness. It's got some tanginess. It's got all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to show you how I'll make my, just a quick little cucumber salad. I like to take like an English cucumber. Get these at all the grocery stores. And just come in here. Just make little small rings. You can dice them up however you like it, but we typically like the circles. Just watch your piggies, or watch your fingers. Don't want to draw back a nub. It's not funny, actually. That would really suck. Alrighty, just nice and easy. Perfect. Now, we're going to throw all these into a bowl. What I found is sweet teriyaki seasoning works really good on these cucumbers also. So I'm just going to dust them, a little bit of that. Soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce, the Kikkoman, the green soy sauce. All right. Just come in here, liberal amount. Okay. I like to take rice wine vinegar, kind of gives a nice little tang. Give it a nice little splash. Next, I like to add a little bit of sweet red chili sauce. It's not much hot. It gives it some sweetness. It gives it some body. A little bit of heat, not much. And I don't add a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay. Now we just mix them up. Also, I like to add a little bit of pepper also. Give us a try. Now, what you want to do, you taste it now. Later on, once this kind of has time to kind of set, the flavors are just going to intensify, but that's good. That's going to go really well with our chicken thighs, y'all. I can't wait. All right, y'all. Hey, these chicken thighs look amazing. I did check these. I did kind of flip them over, just roll them around in the sauce one other time, and that's it. Rest of the time, I just let it go in that sauce. Gosh, I cannot wait to show this to you. Take a look at that. Man. Look at these. The beautiful sauce. Sauce is thickened. Some of the chicken juices kind of came in there too, along with the sauce. Man, it looks good, good, good. These are done. We're just going to take these off of the Blackstone, and we're just going to transfer it over here. We're going to get ready to plate these up. Go. These chicken thighs, they are done. I'm ready to plate them up. I'm hungry. I've been smelling this. Outside has been smelling amazing. Neighbors are jealous. Sorry, neighbors. So we're just going to come here. I got a little bit of rice. You don't have to do rice. You can do, whatever you want. This is just some jasmine rice that I had cooking. Nothing crazy. I just want to put just a little bit of this sauce before I put this chicken thigh down. I like sauce. Okay. Now, I want to choose my favorite chicken thigh here. Just going to come in here. I'm going to lay that dude right there. Oh man. My rice might cave in a little bit, but that's okay. I'll lay a little bit more of that sauce. Holy smokes, y'all. Now, don't forget about these cucumbers. It needs that nice little vibrant, you know, take a bite of your chicken, then take you a bite of these beautiful cucumbers. I'm just going to come in here and lay them in there like that. Just like that. Oh boy. Whew. It's going to be some good groceries. There we go. All right. There we have it, y'all. Little chicken teriyaki on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, we're not done yet. We need a little greenery on here. Just kind of church things up or something. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just going to come in here. These are just some green onions. And I like to go at an angle. Make it look all pretty. So, let's go come in here. Just real fine. Come in there. Just like that. And just put ever so slightly. There we go. Scallions to garnish. There you have it. Chicken teriyaki on the Blackstone Griddle. Dang it, boy. We have nothing more to do here, y'all, but to give this a try. And I can't wait. It smells amazing out here cooking this. Cheers. This is great. That teriyaki is nice and sweet. It's nice and thick, rich, just so flavorful. Y'all, and the chicken thigh. The chicken thigh really holds up to that braise on the Blackstone. Blackstone did a great job. This is slamming, y'all. We can't forget our cucumbers. What I like is that rice wine vinegar. I actually added just a little bit more later on. Kind of cuts through that richness from that teriyaki sauce. Man, it just pairs well. Love this. Y'all, I hope you give us a try. I really think you'll enjoy it. I think your family will enjoy it. But that's all I got for you today. Hey, don't forget to head on over to blackstoneproducts.com. You'll see other recipes just like this. I'm Matt Hussey, and this is some good groceries.